Welcome! If you've ever wanted to customize your Discord experience, especially how your messages look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change the space between message groups on Discord Web right from your PC using the latest update. This is a quick and easy way to make your chat look cleaner or more compact, depending on your style. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you like. Just head to discord.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open your user settings. Now, in the menu on the left, scroll until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the visual customization options Discord has to offer. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the option called Space Between Message Group. This feature is brand new and lets you control how much space appears between different groups of messages in your chats. If you like a more open, spaced out look, you can increase the space. If you prefer everything to be tight and compact, you can decrease it. Simply drag the slider left or right, or choose one of the preset options that fits your preference. As soon as you adjust the slider, you'll see the change instantly reflected in your chat window. Play around with it until you find the spacing that feels just right for you. And that's it! You've just personalized your Discord chat layout in a matter of seconds. This small tweak can make a big difference in how comfortable and enjoyable your Discord experience is. Thanks for tuning in.